Okay, next section is the first part of the chorus. So here's how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, so here's quite a big jump. We start off with a 2-bar rest, and then we play only on the high E string here, only on the high E string. So here it is zoomed in. We start on the 5th fret, and we jump right up to the 12th fret. So it goes 1, 2, 5, 5, 12, 10, 8, 5, 5, 5, 12, 10, 8, 3. 8, 3. Rest. Okay, so there, here it is again. 1, 2, 5, 5, 12, 10, 8, 5, 5, 5, 12, 10, 8, 3. 1, 2, 3, 8, 3, 2, 3.